XHJ Boiler was founded in 2003. Headquartered in Zhengzhou. Holding the Class A Boiler Manufacturing Certificate. And ISO, CE, ASME and EAC certifications. We are the largest boiler manufacturer in central China. We have more than 200 employees. And a plant area of 56,000 square meters. We specialize in the R&D, production and sales of boilers, including oil or gas-fired boilers, biomass coal-fired boilers, electric boilers, thermal oil boilers and so on. Our products are exported to over 70 countries and regions, including the Africa, Southeast Asia, Europe and so on.